Most traders think trading is about indicators. It's not. Without a system, every trade is just gambling with extra steps.
You can learn strategies, tools, and setups, but if your system is incomplete, your account will eventually pay the price.
A real trading system starts with one simple question. What is the trend? Up, down, or sideways? If you don't know the trend, every indicator becomes noise, and every decision becomes confusion.
Think of the market like a river. Trade with the flow, and it feels easy. Fight it, and you drown.
Next comes execution. Entry, stop loss, take profit. If you don't define these before entering, you're not trading, you're guessing.
Stop loss is not your enemy. It's your survival tool. Without it, one mistake can destroy everything.
Winning isn't about being right every time. It's about having an edge over many trades.
Even a 40% win rate can make money if your winners are bigger than your losses.
But here's the hardest truth. A system only works if you follow it.
Most traders don't lose from bad strategies. They lose from lack of discipline.
Trading is not about finding the perfect system. It's about executing a simple one consistently.
Stop chasing signals. Stop changing strategies. Start trusting your system.
In the end, trading is not about winning fast. It's about surviving long enough to win.
Build your system. Follow it. Let probability work. That's how real traders win.